Hello, my name is David Douglas and I operate Derrie Danders walking and audio tours. I have a range of historical walking tours, and today I invite you on my latest tour, my influential women of the walled city. Women from the city have had so many important roles in so many fields, and the challenge in putting this tour together has not been who to include, but who to leave out. In the field of politics, my tour will cover women involved in the local government of our city. From the first woman mayor, Marlene Jefferson, in 1980-81, to the current woman mayor and deputy mayor in 2022-23, and the 11 in between. The local MP and also MLAs too. Also, we will cover some of the ladies who have played important roles in their communities, such as Jeanette Wark in the Fountain, Bridget Bond in the Bogside, and also Pat Hume, wife of the late John Hume, whose peace prizes are now on public display in the Guildhall. We cannot forget the real Derry girls, the shirt factory girls who were the mainstay of the local economy from the 1850s to the early 1970s, and also the Friends of the Factories group who are doing so much to keep this history to the fore. We will of course cover the arts and entertainment and the recent success of the TV comedy show The Derry Girls. Two of the actresses, Jamie Lee O'Donnell and Saoirse Monica Jackson, have gone on to more important roles. But we also think of the show's creator, Lisa McGee, who in December 2022 was the first woman to be given the freedom of the city. A number of other actresses will be covered in the tour, some who've gone on to have roles in Hollywood blockbusters. And of course, the importance of music, where Ireland's first Eurovision winner in 1970, Rosemary Brown, more familiarly known as Dana, came from the city, but also many others in the fields of classical music, operatic, and also popular. Quite a few of the blue plaques in the city are to women involved in setting up the local fascias, and Martha McGee gave her name to the Presbyterian College, which is now part of the University of Ulster. Other fields will get a mention too. Archaeology, where Mabel Cahoon was a leading 20th century archaeologist and historian in Ireland, and she is remembered with a blue plaque at the Tower Museum. Women's rights and the suffragettes are mentioned too, and especially St Columb's Hall, where Margaret Cousins organised a meeting where Emmeline Pankhurst addressed them in 1910. We will also cover the only woman mentioned on our city's war memorial, Laura Gailey, who died in 1917 in Liverpool while serving as a nurse to injured soldiers. Also, in the field of aviation, we will remember Amelia Earhart, who landed just outside the city in 1932, having flown across the Atlantic solo. She is remembered with a red plaque on the former Northern Counties Hotel in Waterloo Place, erected by another group of influential women, the local Amelia Earhart Legacy Association. There are many more women and fields covered in my tour, which will last approximately 2 hours, and I invite you to book and come along and hear the history and see some of the sites associated with these influential women of the walled city.